So we've reached the end of section 9 and we've now styled our app and made some improvements to the user interface. So our learning goals were to do those two things, improve the UI, and we took a look at Semantic UI React and using the components from there to make improvements to our user interface. And just one frequently asked question, I know some of you do prefer to code absolutely everything from scratch, and on this particular occasion, I chose to not do that purely for time reasons and the amount of time it takes us to write what, in my opinion, is easy to write repetitive code. So I wanted the pages to look okay, but I also didn't want to spend half an hour of your time just writing code that doesn't really teach you anything. So for that reason, and purely for time reasons, we did cheat and use snippets there. I don't do it very often, and this was one of those few occasions where I felt the benefits of using a snippet outweighed the benefits of coding everything from hand manually. So the goals of this course is to learn about React, MobX and .NET, and while styling of course is important in a web application, it's not one of the priority goals of this course to teach you about Semantic UI. It's just a tool that we use to style our components. Also, all of our components are going to be made up of Semantic UI components, so you'll have plenty of practice in using it in almost every other thing we do in this course. So that's the thinking behind that. And up next, we're going to take a look at our API. It's been a while, and we're going to introduce error handling into our application.